course, I want to take you through this tricky Kcse question on statistics. The question is that find the missing frequency of the following distribution if the first quartile value is 28. That is the lower quartile. When we talk about first quartile, we mean the lower quartile. That is Q1. So solution here is, first of all, we need to make a table of the mass here. Make a table of the mass. Then we also have frequency. So remember, when we talk about quartiles, we use cumulative frequency. So therefore, we must include cumulative frequency. Then from there, let's have listed them here. We have 10 to 20, that is the class of 10 to 20, 20 to 30. We have 30 to 40, 40 to 50, 50 to 60, and then finally 60 to 70. So here, you need to have to record their frequencies. We have 4, 5, and then we have K here, and then we have 8, we have 7, and 6. And therefore, we need to find the cumulative frequency. I see 4. The cumulative frequency, it is now 4 plus 5. 4, you take it here, then 4 plus 5, which gives you 9. Then 9 plus K, it will be 9 plus K. Then 9 plus K plus 8, it becomes 17 plus K. 17 plus 7, it becomes 24 plus K. Then 24 plus 6, it becomes 30 plus K. So this gives you, or tells you that now the summation of F is 30 plus K. The summation of F is 30 plus K. That is the sum of frequency is 30 plus K. And therefore, we need to understand on how to find Q1. That's to find our lower quartile. We usually say Q1 equals to lower limit of that class plus brackets n over 4. That is a quarter of n. Then we also have plus frequency, that is cumulative frequency above that class, or a frequency of the class, then times frequency of that class, then times class interval, times I, which is class interval. So I want now to list all these from whatever I have. I already know Q1, because I'm told it's 28. I also knew lower limit. This 28, where will it lie? So that we need to find the class that will contain the lower quartile. 28 will lie automatically here. That is where we will have the lower quartile. Because 28 cannot be between 30 and 40, and it can be between 20 and 30. And therefore, this is where our lower quartile will lie. And therefore, that is the class we shall deal with. So Q1 is that, and therefore, we need to find L1 of that. L1 of that class is, remember here is 10 to 20, then 20 to 30, 30 to 40. Then here, we take the lower limit the way it is. But if it was 10 to 20, then 21 to 30, 31 to 40 even, in that order, then we could have set the lower limit here to be 19.5. But in this case, because the 20 here is the one starting here, then we pick 20 as our lower limit. So our lower limit of that class is 20. Then we also have n, that is the summation of frequency, cumulative frequency. All the frequency, the summation of frequency is 30 plus K. So our n equals to 30 plus K. Then we also have our cumulative frequency above the class, that is CA. The cumulative frequency above this class is 4. That is 4. Then we also have frequency of that class, frequency of the class, frequency of this class is 5. That is the frequency of that class is 5. Then we also have I is the class interval, 20 to 30. So I is the class interval, which is 30 minus. We subtract direct, which gives you 10. And therefore, when you have all those, now you substitute in the equation. We know Q1 is 28, so we say 28 equals to L1 we know is 20, then plus N we know is 30 plus K, 30 plus K, all over 4. Then we say plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 all over, yes, plus 4, then all this all over, FC, we have 5 there, then times class interval is 10 times 10. So we shall have 28. We take this other side, it will be 28 minus 20, which is 8 equals to 30 plus k. Now here we can have, this is supposed to be minus, it's supposed to be minus here, not plus. That is the formula, should be minus, but not plus. So it is a minus there. So we have 30 plus k all over 4. When we find this over 1, the LCM is 4, that is the common, is 4. So if the common is 4, then this comes here 1 time, so we shall have 1 times all this becomes 30 plus k, then we minus, this becomes 4 times is 16, so we minus 16 all over 4, then times 1 over 5 times 10, which is the same as times 10 all over 5, times 10 over 5, so here we shall have 8 equals to, this becomes 14 plus k, 14 plus k all over 4, then times, we have here 2, and times 2. So here, cross multiply, we give here 30, we shall have 32 equals to 14 plus k times 2, 14 plus k, then times 2. So we can divide by 2, we divide by 2 here, we divide by 2 both sides, so this one is gone, so we shall have 16, 16 equals to 14 plus k, and therefore if we take this the other side, we shall have 16 minus 14 equals to k, so our k equals to 2. So that is the simplest way that you are supposed to do this question and get the answer direct without much struggle. Thank you for listening. If you like this tutorial, ensure that you like and share and subscribe. Thank you.